Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is HMS Prince of Wales delayed in Norway for repairs amid renewed scrutiny of UK defence readiness. Britain's £3.5 billion aircraft carrier HMS Prince of Wales has been forced into port in Norway for repairs after breaking down again. The delay has affected its planned departure for celebrations marking the 250th anniversary of the US Declaration of Independence. The carrier has faced several technical problems since entering service. A senior naval source told the Daily Mail that the latest difficulties were devastating for morale. The incident comes as ministers face pressure over defense funding. Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer is under pressure to publish a delayed review into increasing defense spending, which is due next week. HMS Prince of Wales also broke down in 2022 while travelling to joint exercises with the US Navy and the Royal Canadian Navy. It had to be towed back to harbour after that failure. The latest problem comes as Sir Richard Knighton, the Chief of the Defence Staff, warned that threats against Britain are higher than at any time since the Cold War. He said Russian aircraft had entered NATO airspace in the first 5 months of 2026 as many times as during all of last year. Knighton said Britain's armed forces must improve their ability to respond to threats. He said that was needed to deter our adversaries from doing something daft, and warned that Russia was close to crossing a line. "I'm very clear that this is the most dangerous time I have known in my working life," Knighton told BBC Radio 4's Today programme. "The risks and threats to this country are greater than I have known since the Cold War. Russia is definitely raising the stakes and risks crossing a line." Knighton also said last year's Strategic Defence Review was a call to arms. He said the armed forces should prepare for prolonged warfare similar to the conflict in Ukraine. "And it is important that society and all of us recognize and understand that, and that may mean that we need to make different choices and different priorities," he said. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.